PlanSmart app is a very innovative application where we can actually prepare to recover even before a disaster would happen. These would enable local government units, local chief executives, for example, or disaster managers to have an imagination of what can happen in their area based on exposure, hazards, and simulations, so that they are able to really appreciate the impact of the events that can trigger disasters in the area.
The changes that we expect to achieve is a shorter turnaround time in case we need the plans and in case we need to make urgent decisions in case there is a disaster or a calamity. We don't need to wait because we already studied and anticipated any eventuality and adjust along the way. So I hope the web application will help the LGUs be systematic in its implementation of the LDRRM plans.
I'm very happy na finally, after less than 6 months, we already launched this app. And hopefully, the LGUs will be making use of this app. So this event today is very helpful in terms of cascading or informing the public and the local officials na we have this app ready for use. Of course, open pa rin for any feedback na pwede natin gamitin to improve the app.
This has been a dream of local government development planners for a long time. I can remember as far back as right after Yolanda. If only we had prepared a recovery and rehabilitation plan before Yolanda hit us. But today it's a reality. And so they're expecting so much from this. What we need to do first is to train them, to show them the nitty-gritty of how this thing works, and it's not difficult.
To all the local government units, provinces, cities, municipalities, our local planners, and even our communities, try and access the PlanSmart Ready to Rebuild program and application as you try to prepare rehabilitation and recovery plans for your specific cities, provinces. This is a good opportunity to do it even before a disaster happens.